said that I was and I was sort of I like Conor. I think he's a sweet, but I actually think Chris Eubank Jr. Handled himself with absolute distinction. I think he's a great character for the sport, and I will say that the moment Chris Eubank Senior and Junior came out to Simply the Best, was up there with the best sporting moments I've ever seen. But yeah, I mean, so then also watching it in the stadium, I then I put up an Instagram sort of saying how unlucky that Conor had been, and I literally had just a barrage of people just laying into me.
No, that's so weird. That's not like boxing fans. So they gave you a shitload of abuse.
I'm not very good at dealing with things like death and whatever, and I sort of push a lot of that stuff.
You don't like, and over and above the loss of your cousin and going to the funeral, you have what a lot of us have, which is, when something like this happens, it's a reminder of how short a time it is that we have on this earth, and that sends you into a bit of a spiral whenever it happens, isn't it? And that's totally understandable. It's like that's. Yeah. I think a lot of people can relate to that, where you get reminded of your own mortality. We basically spend our days not thinking about that, or try not to engage with it, right? And then every now and again something really heavily reminds you of that, and it's a bit horrible, isn't it?
I think it's that thing of from a young age having that weird relationship with it. I suppose it's that thing of and then I suppose when someone's only a few years older than you, and she was very as a person